Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add music to the Lotus Lantern app. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Lotus Lantern app. Make sure your LED lights are already connected through Bluetooth. Once the app is open, go to the music section inside the app. When you open this section for the first time, the app may ask for permission to access your files or media. Allow all the permissions it asks for. This is required so the app can read your music files. After allowing permissions, the app will show a list of songs that are downloaded on your phone. Make sure the songs are saved in your phone's internal storage and not only in cloud storage. Scroll through the list and tap on the song you want. The music will start playing and the lights will react to the beat or sound of the song. The second way to add music is by using the microphone option in the app. Open the Lotus Lantern app and go to the mic section. When you enter this section, allow any microphone permissions the app asks for. After that, select the phone microphone option. This allows the app to capture sound directly from your phone. Now open a music streaming app like Spotify or Apple Music. Play any song you like. Once the song is playing, return to the Lotus Lantern app. The app will listen to the sound through the phone microphone, and the lights should start reacting to the music that is playing. Thanks for watching.